Huwag po kasi magkakat yan. Teka lang.
Search ako. Walang pakot. Game na. Ayun sa power ko. Sorry. Take your time. I got this.
Game 6 yan.
Okay, okay.
Coach Mom, Melanie, number 12, Guy, number 7, Ant-Man, 2, Sandagang, takes a shot, wala nakuha ni Ant-Man, sumalaksak, binigay kay number 4, tumira, wala nakuha ni Sandagang, bringing down the ball at natapikan ni Sandagang. Number 12, passes to Kuya. Pinakamalaking katawan. Number 9, passes to Coach Mouse. Coach Mouse to Kuya. Takes a shot, 2 points. Magaling din eh. Napakagaling din. Mahusay. Number 7, to Kuya, nakakompression. To number 4. Pumatake, passes to Kuya. Takes the shot, wala na Wani. Biggest man to number 12, Manalo back pass to Kuya. Takes the shot. Wala na Wani Kuya, naka-compression. Number 7, bringing down the ball. Passes to Kuya, humawi. 2. Kuya naka-compression na bitaw na bola ng Oni. Number 4, 2, Ant-Man, sumalaksak. 2, Kuya humawit. Coach Kit Jimenez. Umadali, big man move, 2 points. Coach Kit versus Coach Mal. Number 4, passes to Ant-Man, tumira na. Wala lang Wani. Kuya Sandogan takes the move. Number 12. Nagalang na papasahan pinasa kay Coach Mouse to Rafa takes the 3 points. Wala all board na Wani. Number 12, Manalo. Back pass to kalaban na Wani. Kuya Sandogan in layup. 2 points, patalikod. Coach Mouse passes to Rafa to Manalo sa 3. Wala na kuha ni Coach Mouse. Doon pala yun! Labas daw. Tumama onte.
Diskusyonan mga idol.
Tumama konti. Konti lang.
Oras. Sabi kayo jumawit.
Mayroon yun. Number 7, 2 Kuya umawit. 2 points. Last 6 minutes. Nakuha ni Kuya naka-compression shirt. Passes to Ant-Man. 2 points para kay Ant-Man. Rafa, nagkikimon, pinasa kay number 12. Number 12. Passes to biggest man. Wala na kanina number 12. Manalo, put back 2 points.
8-7 palabas pa lang.
Number 7, Antman, passes to number 4, tumira na, 2 points.
Ano ako? Game 7 ako.
Coach Mal, bringing down the ball. Ayun, nakaginamitan na ng thumb move. Nawa ni Coach Kit to Antman, Antman, easy layup, 2 points.
Pahinga daw tayo.
Number 9, pass to Coach Mal, fake. 2, Kuya. Ay, wala. Nawa ni Kuya Malaki nawan. Tumira wala nawa ni Coach Kit. Coach Kit. Ooh, what a dribble. Dribbling. Oh, papas. Titing Manalili. Number 4, pass to number 7, Antman, pass to number. Walang number 2, Coach Kit. Coach Kit, babamba. Wala, hindi. Nawa ni Kuya to Antman. What a play! 2 points. At na turnover. Number 4. Selpak, idol, selpak. 2 points. Sasalpak kaya ito mamaya? Good luck. Number 7. 2, Sandagan. Rafa versus Kuya Sandagan. Ato makakinawalan na Wani number 12. 2, salpak. Yun lang. 2 points. Gumawit. Two. Wala. Nice hit. Number 12 takes the shot. 2 points. High arc. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. D-Rose? Si D-Rose pala yan? No? Number 9 to D-Rose. D-Rose, sumalaksak. Lumipad! Wala. Fake 2. Kuya joke, si Kuya Kit pa yan. Kuya Kit Jimenez, 2 points. Nahuli ni Coach Kit. Kuya naka-compression shirt. Tinira ang bola. Wala, naka ni number 2. D-Rose. Oh, what a pass by D-Rose.
Ha? Talo.
Number 7, takes a shot. Wala na kanina. Coach Kid, bounce pass. 2 points. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye!